Hi students, coordinate geometry. We are going to see equation of straight line. Listen. First, you see the formula. Equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Equation of the straight line parallel to x-axis. Draw one line parallel to x-axis. I will take this value equal to b. This value equal to b. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis, the equation of the line parallel to x-axis is y equal to b. Y equal to b. The line parallel to x-axis means y equal to b. Similarly, the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis, the line parallel to y-axis, draw one line parallel to y-axis. Now this distance is x equal to c. X equal to c. Therefore, the equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to c. Listen, the equation of the line, the equation of any straight line parallel to x-axis is, the formula is y equal to b. The equation of the any straight line parallel to y-axis is x equal to c. Okay, now we want to see the equation of the line. There are four types of formulas. First type is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. One slope and intercept. That means intercept means the distance between that value. Okay. Intercept value, y intercept value c. Y intercept value c. That is, the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Slope and intercept means the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Next, slope point form. One slope and one point, one slope and one point, the equation of the straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And another formula, 2-point form. 2-point form means 2 points, 2 points, means the formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next one is intercept form. The equation of the straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. A is a x-intercept, b is a y-intercept. A is a x-intercept, b is a y-intercept. Now, we are going to see exercise 5.3. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 1, minus 5, 4, 2 and parallel to x-axis, y-axis. Listen, find midpoint. First find midpoint and then the line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now, first find midpoint of this line 1, minus 5, 4, 2. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Take x1, y1, x2 by 2. Substitute 1 plus 4 by 2. Here minus 5 plus 2 by 2. Simplify 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now first sum x-axis. That is the equation of the line parallel to x-axis is, the formula is y equal to b. Y equal to, what is the y value? Minus 3 by 2. Substitute. Now cross multiply. 2y equal to minus 3. 2y equal to minus 3 go to that side plus 3. That is 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Next next part. The equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to c. X equal to, what is the x value? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 cross multiply. 2x equal to 5. That is plus 5 go to that side minus 5. 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Get the answer for sum. Second sum. The equation of the straight line is 2 into x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Find its slope, inclination and intercept on the y-axis. First we have to write the equation in the form y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. Then only 2 into x minus 5 y equal to plus 5 go to that side minus 5. X minus y equal to multiplication go to 2 go to that side divided 2. That is y minus 5 by 2. That is here this one go to that side plus 5 by 2 minus y go to that side plus y. That is x plus 5 by 2 equal to y. Now, therefore, y equal to x plus 5 by 2. Y equal to x plus 5 by 2. The form is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. The m is slope. M is slope. C is y-intercept. C is y-intercept. See that one equating these two. M equal to, here no value means what is the meaning? 1 is there. That is m equal to 1. C equal to 5 by 2. M equal to 1 means m means slope. Slope equal to 1. Here we want to find inclination also. Inclination means theta. But slope formula already, tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1. 1 which angle? Tan 45 degree. But theta equal to 45 degree. Okay. C equal to 5 by 2. That is slope equal to 1. Inclination equal to theta equal to 45 degree. Y-intercept equal to 5 by 2. We get the answer. Third sum. Find the equation of the line whose inclination is 30 degree and making an intercept minus 3 on the y-axis. Here, inclination theta given and y-intercept given. Theta given, y-intercept given. We want to find the equation of the line. Equation of the line. Equation of the line means here theta means find slope. Okay. Here y-intercept, that is c. Slope means m and c, the formula is y equal to mx plus c is the equation of the line formula. Listen, given inclination theta equal to 30 degree, slope equal to tan theta, that is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, what's the value? M equal to 1 by root 3. Slope equal to 1 by root 3. Y-intercept equal to minus 3. Slope and y-intercept means the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to m 1 by root 3 x c minus 3. Okay. Now taking LCM. LCM means the root 3 go to multiply this and this value also. Okay. Root 3 y equal to x minus 3 root 3. Here also multiplied by root 3. Here also multiplied by root 3. LCM. Okay. Root 3 y equal to x minus 3 root 3. Now arrange the terms. First x term. Y term, this one go to that side, minus root 3y. Here minus 3 root 3 equal to 0. X term, y term, constant term equal to 0. This one is the equation of the straight line. Get the answer. Fourth sum, find the slope and y-intercept of root 3x plus 1 minus root 3y equal to 3. Here we want to find slope and y-intercept. Here equation given, we want to find slope and y-intercept. Here also we want to make y equal to mx plus c form. Given equation is, write that one, 1 minus root 3y. Give LHS and root 3x go to that side minus root 3x plus 3. Okay. Y equal to 1 minus root 3 multiplication go to divide. Divided by this term and this term also. That is root 3x by 1 minus root 3 plus 3 by 1 minus root 3. See that one? X coefficient m. X coefficient m, that is a slope, plus c. This one is a y-intercept. Slope equal to minus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3. Here irrational number is then multiplied by the conjugate. 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Here minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3. Here a minus b, a plus b form. What is the formula? A minus b, a plus b equal to, the formula is a squared minus b squared, Okay. A square means 1 square minus b squared means root 3 square. Now root 3 multiply inside minus here 1 into root 3, root 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 1 squared 1. Root 3 square. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Now, here 1 minus 3 minus 2. Minus cancel. We get root 3 plus 3 divided by 2. This one is a slope. Y-intercept means, what is the y-intercept? 3 by 1 minus root 3. Here also denominator irrational number, then multiply by the conjugate 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3, 3 into 1 plus root 3. Here also the same formula, a minus b, a plus b form, that is a square minus b square form, that is 1 square minus root 3 square, multiplied by 3, 3, here 3 into root 3, 3 root 3, here 1 minus 3, what's the value? Minus 2, we get y-intercept. Now slope and y-intercept, we get the answer. Fifth sum, find the value of a if the line through minus 2 comma 3 and 8 comma 5 is perpendicular to y equal to ax plus 2. Perpendicular. Now here also 2 points given, we want to find slope. Here one equation given, here also we want to find slope. Two slopes you know means perpendicular means the formula is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. Already studied in 5.2. See that one? The points minus 2 comma 3, 8 comma 5, find slope y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 5 minus 3 divided by 8 plus 2. Here 2 by 10 cancel, 1 by 5 I will take m1. Given the equation is y equal to ax plus 2. ax plus 2, the form is y equal to mx plus c form. That is the slope equal to m equal to what is the value? A. m equal to a. That is the slope equal to a. I will take m2. Given the lines are perpendicular, the symbol is perpendicular, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, that is m1 1 by 5, m2 a, 1 by 5 into a equal to minus 1, 5 cross multiply, a equal to minus 5, we get the answer. See the sixth sum, the hill in the form of the right triangle has its foot at 19 comma 3. The inclination of the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Find the equation of the hill joining the foot and the top. Now I will take this one is a one hill, right triangle hill. Okay, now the angle is the hill to the ground is 45 degree. Now I will take this one is a 45 degree. The foot at 19 comma 3. The foot at 19 comma 3. We want to find the equation of the line. We want to find the equation of the line. See that one. Now one point you know. Here angle you know means we can find slope. We can find slope. That is slope and point you know means the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. First theta equal to 45 degree, find slope. Slope equal to tan theta, tan 45 equal to 1. Slope equal to 1. Given the point is 19 comma 3, I will take x1 y1. But the equation of the straight line is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. The formula is slope and one point you know means the formula is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 value 3 equal to m value 1, x minus x1 value 19. Okay, now simplify y minus 3 equal to x minus 19. See that one? X is positive means write the RHS as it is, x minus 19. The y minus 3 go to that side, change the sign, that is minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Up x minus y minus 19 plus 3 equal to minus 16 equal to 0. So it's a very important lesson. Again I will explain. X is a positive means the RHS term write as it is. The y term y minus 3 go to that side, change the sign minus y plus 3 and simplify x minus y minus 16 equal to 0. See the seventh sum. Find the equation of the line through the given pair of points. First one 2 comma 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 comma minus 2. Now 2 points you know means the equation of the line formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, equation of the straight line formula. Now I will take x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute y minus y1 2 by 3 divided by y2 minus 2 minus 2 by 3 equal to x minus x1 2 divided by x2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, now listen. Now taking LCM. LCM means 3 go to multiply. 3y minus 2. 3y minus 2 divided by 3. Here also LCM multiply minus 6 minus 2 divided by 3. Here denominator 3 cancel. Here x minus 2. Here also taking LCM minus 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Here 3y minus 2. What is the value? Minus 6 minus 2. What is the value? Minus 8. But 3y minus 2 divided by minus 8. In this one, denominator fraction. Now the 2 go to the numerator. 2 go to the numerator. Upper 2 into x minus 2. 2 into x minus 2. Here minus 1 minus 4 equal to 5. Minus 1 minus 4 equal to 5. That is 2 into x minus 2 minus 5. This minus minus cancel. But 3y minus 2 divided by 8 multiply 2x minus 4 divided by 5. Cross multiply 15y minus 10. Next cross multiply 16x minus 32. Already I told here x term positive. Now keep as it is. This one change the sign. Minus 15y plus 10 equal to 0. Arrange the term 16x minus 15y. Subtract this 2 value. Bigger number sign. Minus 22 equal to 0. Second part 2, 3 and minus 7, minus 1. The equation of the line is 2 points means the formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Up y minus y1 3 divided by y2 minus 1 minus 3. X minus x1 2 divided by x2 minus 7 minus 2. Here also y minus 3 divided by minus 4. X minus 2 divided by minus 9. Minus minus cancel. See that one. Cross multiply 9y minus 27. Here 4x minus 8. Here also x term positive. Write as it is. 4x minus 8. Change the sign. Minus 9y plus 27. For 4x minus 9y. Subtract this value. Plus 19 equal to 0. We get the answer. Thank you, students.